India is set to implement a phased import ban on around 1,000 military items, including spares and subsystems from December 2023 to 2029, marking its fourth push towards self-reliance in defense manufacturing. The indigenization initiative primarily targets components used in military aircraft, warships, and ammunition. This latest list, published after similar ones in December 2021, March 2022, and August 2022, comprises 928 items and aims to substitute imports worth 715 crore. Let us discover how this initiative is reshaping India's defense landscape and what it means for the future of global military hardware. The latest Indian import ban targets items for local procurement after set timelines to stimulate domestic production of parts for Sukhoi 30 and Jaguar fighter jets, HTT-40 planes and warship systems. Previous ban focused on items for Dornier 228 planes, T-90 and Arjun tanks, and anti-tank missiles among others. Of the 2,500 items in the prior three lists, 1,238 have been identified for phased domestic manufacturing till 2028-29, with 310 items already indigenized. To encourage domestic manufacturing, the Indian Defence Public Sector Undertakings will indigenize military items through the Make in India initiative and in-house development, involving MSMEs and private industry. This move aims to stimulate the economy, increase defense investment, and reduce import dependence. India's two-pronged strategy for indigenization includes banning imports of large-scale weapons and systems and their subsystems, spares, and components. India has published 4 other lists that have imposed a phased import ban on 411 different types of weapons and platforms. In a bid to boost self-reliance in defense over the past 4 to 5 years, India has implemented phased import bans, allocated a separate budget for locally made military hardware, and raised foreign direct investment from 49 to 74%. The defense budget for domestic procurement reached 1 trillion rupees this year, up from 84,598 crore rupees, 70,221 crore and 51,000 crore rupees in the previous 3 years. Despite an 11% drop in arms import between 2013-17 and 2018-22, India remains the world's largest importer of military hardware, according to a report by Stockholm International Peace Research Institute. A parallel to import reduction, India has prioritized bolstering its position as a military hardware exporter, with exports worth 15,920 crore rupees in 2022-23, a tenfold increase since 2016-17. India is making its mark on the global defense market, credited to the Make in India initiative and key sector reforms. Currently exporting military hardware to approximately 85 countries, India's export offerings range from missiles and surveillance systems to personal protective gear, offshore patrol vessels. The Tejas light combat aircraft, various helicopters, artillery guns, Astra beyond visual range air-to-air missile, Akash surface-to-air missile system, tanks, sonars and radars hold significant export potential. In conclusion, India's bold strides towards self-reliance in defense manufacturing illustrate a transformative shift in the nation's strategic approach. This shift not only bolsters the domestic economy and spurs investment in defense but also promises to reshape the global defense market.